Look him drinky drinky. Oh, can't reach the button. Oh, there it goes. Oh my God. Oh. You're gonna decorate your steering wheel. You puke on me, you're cleaning it off. Just so you know, I am an incest. I'm an incest survivor. What the hell did that? Oh God, shall I push the button before you hurt yourself? I am a survivor of TBS, toxic bowel syndrome. And there is the toxic bowel. Say hello, toxic bowel. Oh, no, I didn't ask you how old you were. Every time we do a video, that finger comes up. Every time. Smart ass. Are you done? Smile for the nice people, kids. You know, you see there's the Buddha look right there. I'm contented. I'm happy. I'm at peace with the world. Bitch, wipe it off. Jesus. Okay, I can't go on. Enough.